Let's study the other fill effects or color effects which is present in the PowerPoint. For that, first we want to open the PowerPoint window. So Microsoft Office PowerPoint, yeah, yes, let's open it. Okay, and then let's go and click at the design tab, and here you can see the background styles. Click over there, format background, and you will get this box. Solid fill, gradient fill, we discussed about these two, and now let's study what are the picture or texture fills. So click over there, and here you can see there are a lot of textures. Click over there, and you can see different options are there. Once we click this, we will get different textures. If you click at the file tab, file option, you can insert pictures. Okay, once you click insert, yeah, there are a lot of pictures. For example, if I'm using this one and insert, can you see? So in this way we can insert pictures at the background. And if we click clip art, you will get a lot of clip art. Can you see the clip art option? Yes, once you click the clip art option, you can insert. Okay, I am using this Eiffel Tower. Okay, so in this way we can insert clip arts. Okay, and here there is another option, that is tile picture as a texture. If you click over there, can you see? In this way we can see the clip art. Okay, this is tile effect. I hope you understood. Okay, if you need to use that, if you need to use it, we can and we can listen. Can you see the transparency? It means now these pictures are so bright, so we can make it make the we can reduce the transparency like this. Can you see? Yeah, now it's yeah. In this way, we can reduce the transparency on this option. And if it is okay, we can give apply to all. Okay, so this is the way of applying picture or texture fill. I hope you understood. To get the formatting effects, we want to come to the home tab. Okay, click at the home tab and you want to see font group. Okay, so let's begin from the first formatting, that is font. Okay, for example, I want to change the font of this heading. For that, I want to select it first, and here you can see Calibri heading. Can you see this one? Yeah, this is a font, and there is one drop down arrow. Click over there, and here you can see this is one font, and there are a lot of fonts are available here. You can see this one. Okay, if I use this, can you see this one? This effect will come here. So I am going to choose this font. Click over there. Okay, so I got a font, and the next is font size. Okay, if I want to increase the font size within one step, for example, I want to change the size into, now it is 32, so if I want to directly change this into a 60 or 48, in this way I can change. Can you see? Here there is a font size and there is one down arrow. Click over there and you will get one scale, a ruler. You can increase or decrease the size. And if you want to reduce the size, there is another option also. Can you see a small a here? So you want to click over there, we can reduce the size. Can you see? In this way we can reduce. And there is one big a, and it helps to increase the size again. Okay, so these also used to change the size, font size. Next, what is the use of bold, italics and underline? So for that I'm going to choose this two, and let's come here, bold. Okay, I'm going to change into bold. Can you see the bold? Now the sentences are bold. It's changed into bold. You can see the difference between this. So that is the use of bold. And let's go and select I. that is italics. Okay, you can see the change here, italics. Can you see? Now let's change this into italics. Then if we are going and clicking underline, you can see, can you see the underline here? Yes, underline. The next is what is that, strike through. Strike through. If I am going to choose that, you can see the difference. Yes, strike through. Okay. Then next, shadow. Another one is shadow. You can see S, shadow, text shadow. So let's do the shadow application here over the heading. Okay, I'm going to click over the shadow. Can you see the shadow? Yes, at the bottom you can see the shadow. Okay, for example, if the bold. Okay, this is bold. Select it and let's apply the shadow effect. Can you see the shadow effect? Can you see the difference between these two, bold and italics? Can you see? There is one shadow. Okay, so these are some options. Next is character spacing. You can see AV. Okay, for understanding that, you can select one word. That I'm going to select this bold. Okay, bold. Can you see the bold? I'm going to use that bold. Going to select it, bold. Okay, then going to come to this AV. Okay, character spacing. You can see the, yes, there is one down arrow. Very tight, tight, normal, loose, very loose, more spacing. Okay, so I'm going to use very tight. You can see the changes in the bold. Can you see the bold? It became very tight. There is no gap between that letters. So tight. Okay, this is tight. You can see now the bold. Next is normal. We know loose. Can you see? BOLD. This is loose. Next, we want to click over the down arrow and very loose. Can you see? This is very loose. Then more spacing means we can give what we got a um, condensed by 6. So how much distance you need that you can give over here, 6.1, 6.2. Okay, can you see? So this is actually character spacing option, AV. Next is change case, this one AA. Okay, so let's check it. What is that? Change case. For that, let's click over this heading. Okay, now you can see for F is capital, other are small letters. Okay, so we are applying for first of all, let's change this into font into Calibri. Okay, we needn't, we can do the same font, doesn't matter. Anyway, for easily understanding, I'm changing this to a Calibri font. Okay, so let's now you can see F is capital, all other letters are small letter. And now you want to come here to the change case option. Click over there. Let's click uppercase. Uppercase. Let's see uppercase. Can you see? Now all letters become capital letter. And if I am going to click over the lowercase, all letters become small letter. Okay. And the next one is what? Sentence case means first capital, others are small. Okay. So you should know the cases. What are the cases? First one, sentence case, that is first letter, first capital letter will be there and then small letter. Lowercase means full small letter. Uppercase means complete capital letter. Okay. Then other one, that is toggle case. Let's study that. And there is one other case also. For that, first let's select this and click over the case, and here you can see capitalize each word. Capitalize each word means the first word should be it will be in the small letter or something, or normal way, and another, the second section will be capital letter. For example, let's choose this one. Yes, applying format effects. Let's selected this one. Yeah, and let's click over the case and toggle case. Can you see? The first letter will become small and other will be capital letter. Okay, and if it is in capitalize each word, it will be like this. First section will be small letter and the next will be capital. Okay, you can see the difference, toggle effect. First letter will become small and other there will be random changes will be there. Okay, it will be like this: first letter small letter, then capital, can you see, then next capital letter, then then small letter. Okay, yes, next capitalize each word, that is will be like this. Okay, next is font color. It's very easy, so let's change the font color. Okay, there you can see font color option A, and there are a lot of colors, red color. Okay, in this way we can apply the color. Okay,